The act.
Receipt is ridiculous! Come on! Somebody pick up your phone!
The act.
Receipt is ridiculous! Come on! Somebody pick up your phone!
What?
We're at Walmart.
Yes, customer service over here now!
Really?
That's how I feel sometimes when you call customer service at Walmart.
Nobody is helping me.
Right?
Where you call and it just keeps ringing and ringing and ringing and ringing.
Yeah, you don't go to that stream. Do you? I never.
Sometimes I feel like doing that though.
Get the receipt and I'll get down. My time is worth more than yours. Let's go.
Yeah, how you doing? Hi, this is my son. Did you come outside before and start cursing at him?
No.
No, because he's saying that you came outside and you started cursing at him, and you said, you know, F this and F that. Okay, he lives right next door.
Fine.
Okay, and he can.
5 years and I've never had a problem with noise and skateboards.
They're children. Okay, they're children.
Kids make noise.
Okay. He's not. They're not disturbing anybody.
No, don't
They're
you
not
know
hurting anybody.
parents, children have to be
They're-
perfect
they're
and not
noisy.
make a peep?
Come on. Come on.
Don't put your thing down.
A car wreck.
Baby
They're
kids.
children.
Yeah.
They're 10 and 11 years old. I don't think they're causing that much of a disturbance. For you to come out and start cursing at a 10-year-old.
I just said to stop,
Okay.
you know, skateboard and sidewalk.
Okay? You're an older woman. He's a 10-year-old boy. And that's how you come out and you speak to him? I think you need to grow up. If you have an
You
issue,
need to grow up.
you come next door and you speak to his parents. Okay?
Fine.
You know, it would be louder on the sidewalk. Yeah.
Oh, he's recording me? And you're keeping him here?
I'm gonna
That's
tell
why
this.
Boyd is out of his jurisdiction. He is recording me.
I'm gonna tell this
paying
story
customer,
till I'm
paying for
90.
food, and he's out of his jurisdiction.
That a
And my
cop that's
husband and my
recording?
vehicle don't appreciate it at all. Y'all.
Okay. Alright, see ya.
And you took her aside over mine. That is why I denied her service, Brian. That is why.
No matter how hard you try, you're never gonna
Don't be
get
rude.
it.
And what's your problem
Get out of
with
my
me?
face.
I will record you because you're being really rude.
You can try to be a redhead as hard as you want, and you'll always have those
Hey,
eyebrows.
let me ask you something. Is it because we're brown? Is that why you're being so rude?
She's black.
She's not black. She's Moroccan.
Over
They're in
here
the
looks
mall,
pretty
too.
black.
Okay, first of all, I am.
Okay,
I'm
then
actually
is it
from
'cause we're
Africa.
brown?
And trust me, I will go blonde
Why
and
were you
still.
talking about my boobs? My boobs have nothing to do with
I
my
didn't.
hair
I
color.
said your roots are brown. That's what I
Yes,
said.
they are.
And
The rest of
actually,
my
they're
hair is
gray.
natural.
They're gray. They're not even brown. They're gray.
Okay, but is it because our
They're
skin
gray.
is brown?
You're
Whatever.
still dying it.
You're so
Is it
fake.
because our skin is
So
brown? Are you mad?
not.
Are you mad because we look better than you? That's
Damn.
why. You're mad because she looks so much better than you. She looks better than you. Go get your hair done as a blonde and you will never look as good. Okay, come on, let's go. We're ganging up on you because you're being racist to us. You're being racist. You're being racist. Are you crazy? This is 2018. How dare you be racist
Yeah,
to
some of
us?
these videos
Are
are
you
old,
crazy?
right?
This is ridiculous. I've never met.
No boobs. You
I
wanna talk about
don't.
my body?
I don't, but I have a butt. I don't, but I have a butt.
It's really gross looking.
Oh, really?
Nothing about your spread your ass cheeks. They
What?
have her stick like a stick in
I
your
don't have
Oh,
boobs like you, and I have a
Get
butt.
out of my face. Touch it out of my face. You wanna go to
She
jail
didn't touch
for,
you. She didn't touch you. And we have this on video. Trust me. And you look so retarded. You look so dumb. You look so dumb. Come on, let's go. Come on. You're racist and you're ridiculous. We're not scared of you. We're not scared of you. If you really want to do this, let me get out of work and then we can really do this.
Okay, I'm ready. I got my hair back. You better get your hair back and take
You know
your
what?
ears out,
I
little
clock
cunt.
I clock out at 6. Be
Okay.
waiting for me right here. Don't leave.
Oh, you're
Don't
such a
leave.
little bitch.
Don't
I'm
leave.
so
Exactly.
scared.
You're so racist. It's so
I'm not
sad.
racist, I'm
What is
You're
stop?
racist.
No, it's time for
Come on.
bed.
Come on, she's racist. Come on.
Do you want me to pause it?
She's racist.
Well, let it go.
am.
Get
This
it.
is gonna be a long video. It's almost a long.
You may have to pause it though.
Yeah.
All everyone hears me.
When we're done recording, I'm gonna split this up into
Wait till this video's done before you give her match. Because you know you're gonna have to yell at her.
Don't say God. Because you have no God. Can I speak to the manager, please? Can
Love
I
when they throw
speak to
religion
the
into it.
manager, please? Yeah, I'm going to talk to the manager. Yeah. You asked me questions, I responded, and then you told me to take them back.
We're gonna wait till after the video's done and then you give it to her. Is she awake?
Yes. I repeat, the Reaper's awake.
Hi, yeah, I was speaking with the manager and I was just.
This is she, and I don't
This isn't me. This is the actual thing. So I don't know what it is.
I don't want to give you something that do got.
No, that's okay. I was just trying to get your name, but you turned off your thing.
Oh, why would you want my name? Because I don't have any coffee tonight, or I don't know if there's dairy in there. I'm not gonna give you my name. No.
You're not gonna give me your name.
Ma'am. Thank you, and have a great night.
She literally turned, would not tell me her name, and then closed the door. It was extremely rude.
I got people to take care of.
So you're not gonna give me your name then?
No.
Why is that?
Be a Burger King.
Why do you need my name?
I'm asking you your name because you were
You're holding up my card.
but you were extremely rude to me.
I would like let me speak to your manager.
Well then, so am I being detained? No. Why? Because apparently I need to show a receipt. No, we just have to verify when we carry it out. You're not being detained. What are all these security cameras doing? You're not being detained. Excellent. Thank you very much, sir. Well, you have a nice day.
What the hell is he pushing?
It's one of the elongated cars that carry bigger things.
I'll get you to stand right here and I'll bring my assistant right around. Make a little easier.
I think he's purposely banging it.
No, it was my mom that he needs to apologize to. He don't need to apologize to me. Oh, see, told you. Oh, just so you know, this going online. Yeah, it is. It is going on Facebook. So if you want to wave, yeah, that's what he got on his Facebook page. So all about Jesus.
All about Jesus.
So just so you know, hey, yeah, and he's happy about that. Yeah. See how disrespectful he is?
Think so.
Look. Wow.
I guess this woman didn't get her thing
Yeah.
her way.
Come on, brother, let's go. This was the only respectful one in the group, Lucci, right there, and this manager was very respectful. And what was your name again? I don't know. Okay, my bad.
Okay, my bad.
Oh, you look mad. You look really mad and depressing.
You look really mad and
Invasive.
depressing.
You do. Why don't you go? I won't leave until you leave because you're the one that's being racist. And I came into the store shopping, so why are you saying stuff to me now? I didn't follow you. I walked in here. I always come in here. You think this mall, you own this mall? You're the only one that's allowed to shop here? You're the one that said you wanted to fight with me. I have you on video, honey. I have you on video.
This has got to be old.
I have
It's
you
a
on video.
Sears.
I hope they call the cops.
They don't exist no more.
I really hope you guys call the cops because she's attacking me for no reason. I said nothing to her. She's like, why do you have red hair? You will never have red hair. Like, attacking me for that. Like, that's so dumb to say to someone.
That's the same one that was attacking the girl.
Like, while I'm at work. You want to talk? We can talk right now since I'm out of work.
Different color skin.
What do you got to say? Exactly.
This
So be
woman
quiet,
is
because you look
just
really
racist.
Stupid and ignorant. Can you leave? Because you're the one that's talking crazy. Don't say rude stuff to people, and when they react, you act all innocent. Because you're the one that was being rude to me. I didn't even care about you, or your hair color, or what you're dressed like. Because I don't care about you.
Damn.
Or what? You didn't have the apron on, would you do something? Did you threaten me? Huh? You just said if I didn't have this apron on, what would you do?
That's not what I said.
Huh? Now you're lying.
Dude, back up.
You just said if I didn't have this apron on, I'd kick your.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Whatever you want.
What did you say then? Huh?
You need to stop.
What did you say?
You need to chill. You need to back up.
You're the one that threatened me.
You need to go.
For what? You threatened me.
Dude, I got this guy. He's trying to fight me.
I ain't trying to fight you.
Someone needs to get over there. Like, ASAP.
That's good. That was complete bull. You just said I'm trying to fight you? I ain't doing nothing. What am I doing? I ain't doing nothing. You just said I tried to fight you. You just lied to your supervisor and said I tried to fight you. I didn't try to fight you. First of all, this dude's lying. He just told you I'm trying to fight him. I ain't trying to fight him. He's the one that threatened me. He goes, if I didn't have this apron on, boy, I'd... You know what I mean? All I'm trying to do is return this because the string broke. He's smirking at me, laughing at me, like I don't have right to return it. The string busted off of it. How am I going to use it? I was here 20 minutes ago. And then he goes, if I didn't have this apron on, and then he calls and tells you I'm trying to fight him? I don't appreciate that, man.
I'll look at that. You want to put that away?
No. I just want you to return this, put it back on my card. That's all I tried to ask him to do. And he wants to smirk at me, laugh at me, and grin at me like it's some kind of game. This dude tried to escalate this and say, if I didn't have this apron on, boy, I'd kick your... What'd you say then?
Doing? I know, but the road's blocked on your side, so you got to give way. Lane's here, your lane's blocked. I know.
It's a British current.
Because you got to give way there. You could easily wait. You can back up.
Why? You can fit! I have 2 sick children at home! You think you have the biggest problem in the world because you can't squeeze your bike in it? I have 2 sick children at home! Are you serious? Are you enjoying this?
I'm not enjoying it, I'm just waiting to get through it.
You just say she had 26
You are
children at home.
anything compared to a sick 3-year-old and a sick 1-year-old.
I think she had 2 sick
I will stand
children.
here for the rest of the fucking night. And then I will call the police. And I will say I'm being harassed by a man who refuses to ride his bike with her. Seriously, go now.
It doesn't matter, because I'm not going to let you pass me dangerously close.
I'm not.
You got to give way
I'm not
there.
going to pass you. I've stopped the car. Ride your bike. I have stopped the car. You're refusing to ride the bike there because you're being obstinate and you want to cause a woman with 2 sick kids trouble. How do you think that's going to wash when I call the police?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter about
Are
your
you a
children.
student?
Do you have a driver's license?
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
You know how I know this is a British Karen license plate and she's giving off on
Yep.
the other side of the side.
If you have a driver's license, you'll know that if the obstruction is on your side, you got to give way to me.
You know what? You're being a total dickhead.
No.
I'm going to go and get every single person who lives on my street. They will agree with me.
All right.
Oh, fuck's sake.
You can call whoever you like, but you got to give way there because the obstruction is on your side.
I'm gonna meow the f out of you.
This is done by Markiplier.
Oh. Meow. Meow. No.
Oh, right, that shit go.
No shit.
Meow, 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 meow. Am I a cat? Meow, 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 meow. What am I? Meow. Meow, bitch. Why did I waste my